face. Are you ready to do your? Are you ready to do your face? Are you gonna be a unicorn now, huh? Now we're ready. Now we're ready. Now this is normal. This is nothing that you haven't done, right? You're okay with this. Isn't it fun that it's school vacation?
Don't look at me. Can you smile? That's all you can.
Okay, soft eyes. Don't squeeze. Soft eyes. Good. Other side, honey.
Hey, Shola, I can back.
Good job, babe. Let's put our sparkles. Keep eyes closed. Close eyes. Don't open. Sparkles. Had a girl. Let's do our unicorn horn.
Sparkling. Oh, sorry.
Okay, we're back. I had to put a new battery in. So we're back, babe.
Wow, you do a really good job. My goodness.
Thank you. So pretty.
Why not? Yeah.
Sweetie, we're gonna do our eyeshadow, so soft. No squeezing, don't squeeze. As soon as it's on, I'm gonna dry it, baby, so don't squeeze. Good girl. Other side. Don't squeeze, love. Good job, so pretty. You look so pretty. Is there a real snake over there?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes. There's like 3 real snakes. Oh my god.
I thought they were kidding. You're like, no?
No, this is not.
It's no joke.
No, that's...
Pretty darling.
What are you doing?
I'm making your unicorn ears right now, which is like the most important feature of the unicorn face is the ears. You get good ears, you make a good unicorn.
Come on right away?
Yep, this will come right off, yep.
Oh.
The arms will stay on in water, so I'll tell you how to get those off in a... you just... yes, exactly.
Or just rub the liquid.
Can I go now?
Oh wait, I want to just show mommy. You just squirt this on there and rub it, and it'll come off.
Okay.
Any kind of shampoo
Yeah.
or dish soap, anything that's liquid.
Okay.
Almost done. You want to go see the snake? Is that what's happening here? The unicorn wants to go see the snake. But I have to finish one more thing. You have to have one more thing. Because a unicorn has to have a little bit of fancy hair. Oh, that's pretty on you. And one more sparkling. Can you close pretty eyes? Honey, don't open. Close eyes again. Presenting the unicorn. Let me see ya.